seo tai Iain, agus ha al gymas Àrach dio seo, ha chuileanan dia gawn, nisht, ha ni lat na jobs achga ein your fat, mar sin, gus nach tor misteach cal Michaler, fi me seo a churaram, agus michtach an cúideach. So this gives them the best start in life if they're born in a home and they have a fosterer, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Fostering is a fantastic thing for people to get involved in. I call it a win-win-win. It's a win for the dogs, obviously, because they're not stuck in a kennel. It's a win for me, and obviously it's a win for the Dogs Trust because you're freeing up the day-to-day care.
Yeah, the resources at the centre.
The resources at the centre that are allocated, they can be allocated to much more needy dogs down there.
Good for you, John. This is brilliant. I love this. So are these pups nearly ready to head off to their homes?
They are, Pàdruig. They're actually all going in less than a week's time now, and they're all reserved at the Dogs Trust. So they're going to their forever home, which is the whole purpose of why you're doing it in the first place. But I've always got a tear in my eye, and I always go for a little walk and have a good old cry to myself. So, and I'm not ashamed to admit it.
Oh, well, you've done a brilliant thing. I think they look happy as Larry, and they've had a best start in life.
That's what you call a puddle of pups.
Oh, na hiad ha forsta nach na dúne bes fein na cuileanan seo. How did I Alan? Chi mi ddiest you, Nach I la boiach.